In this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a review on booking.com from your account. If you made a mistake or want to remove something you've written, here's the simple way to do it. Stick with me and follow closely so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, go to booking.com and sign in using your account credentials. Next, click your profile icon located at the top right corner of the page to access your account options. Then, click on Reviews from the drop-down list to see all the reviews you've submitted. After that, locate the review you want to delete and click the three dots next to it for more options. Finally, select Delete and follow all the prompts that appear. This may include confirming the reason for removal or submitting a short explanation. And that's how to delete your own reviews on booking.com in just a few steps. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy tutorials. See you next time!